going on, guys? Today, me and my stepbrother Bryce at Raring Rides. Go subscribe right now. I'm going to be doing a sound comparison between his Polaris Ace 2015 Polaris Ace 325 versus my Honda XR80R 2001. Duh. He will be the one revving his. I will be revving mine, but that video will be out later. Because I don't have the key right now. My mom took it for some reason. So, yeah. Be sure to like and subscribe, and here we go.
Yeah. I'll do the honors.
Make sure to put it in neutral.
It's in neutral.
Go.
Get the best results going all the way to the back.
Go. There you go, people. That's the sound of a 325 Polaris Ace 2015. Yeah, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and go subscribe to Raring Rides. That's that man right there.
And don't forget to power shift that like button.
And power shift that subscribe button. Peace.